Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be planting some carrots. But it's on seed tape. So this is what seed tape is. Well, this is what it looks like. Seed tape, because carrot seeds are so small, you can kind of see them there, how small they are. So it's really hard to plant them with your fingers. So we use seed tape because they'll already like how far out they need to be. Now we're going to need to make a hole. We got a layer of seed tape. Just lay it down in the hole. Why are the chunks so big? Cricket! You don't want to put rocks on it or it would be hard for it to grow. And that's how you plant carrots in under a minute. If you want to see more of this, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!